Jimmy, go help me.
No.
I'm sorry.
Go kill her now.
No, Jimmy. Me no want to kill me.
Me tell her father, me tell her to leave it alone.
Jimmy.
And we can check it and fix it. See you take off you now.
Me need to coffee, Jimmy. Me go back tomorrow. Go ride in our yard.
See then, new bicycle chain. And broke off.
Jimmy, just go help me now.
What me fi do?
Go use the machete and choppy.
How me fi use machete and choppy? Jeez, I'm your father go bust your ass now. Me say, you telling me now? Leave it alone. Me tell you leave it alone and you see what you cause?
Me get new bicycle. You see what happened now? Me wash you so quick. You see? Me know. Me have to go back tomorrow. Every day, go ride your bicycle. I go walk on the park. I go ride my bicycle.
Me tell you now, leave it alone. Wait till your father comes.
Jimmy.
No. No hug me. No. Come off of me.
We should not listen to you.
You should not listen to me.
We can't plot up more.
You go get some bus sauce today.
Lord of mercy, God. Lord of mercy.
Your father did say you're not getting until Jesus, but see, you get in not 2 weeks time.
We should have never get. No. No, look what happened. Somebody have to go save me.
Nobody can save you.
God, go save me. God.
God not save you.
Let me see what y'all do. Y'all be doing me. Let me see.